Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever walked into something so luxurious you immediately questioned if you'd accidentally entered the VIP section of life? That was me, the day I met the Morelo Empire Liner. I wasn't sure whether to review it or take off my shoes and bow. This thing is so upscale, I felt like my neighbor's Range Rover should park backward in shame. But hey, before we turn this road-bound penthouse into my future delusion, don't forget to subscribe to CampAvto, the channel where dreams have diesel tanks, luxury has leather upholstery, and humor comes standard like alloy wheels. Smash that button like it's a horn you're honking at someone blocking your electric hookup spot. Now, the Morelo Empire Liner isn't just a motorhome. It's what James Bond would buy if he retired early and decided he wanted to tour Europe without sacrificing a single yacht standard amenity. Built on a truck-grade Iveco or Mercedes chassis, this 15,000-kilogram, 33,000-pound masterpiece is powered by a 7.7-liter inline-six diesel engine, pushing 299 horsepower to the rear wheels via an 8-speed auto manual gearbox. The drive? Smooth enough to butter toast on. What really tickled me was the garage. Yes, there's a full-blown garage underneath this thing. I believe you can fit a Porsche 911 or Mercedes AMG GT. That's not storage. That's automotive nesting. And for €464,750, or around $530,700, 2024 model, I expect nothing less than to bring my second midlife crisis along for the ride. The inside? Leather, LED lighting, real wood, quartz-style countertops, and believe it or not, underfloor heating. I think even my e-bike would ask to come inside. Full-size bed, massive dinette, separate shower and toilet. I liked the bed the most, mainly because I could control every light, blind, and system from it with a phone app. After all, if I'm living like royalty, I shouldn't have to stand to dim a light. And yes, the windows, so big you'll think you've been drafted into a National Geographic documentary. Whether you're camped in the French Alps or beside a random German bakery, you're basically glamping inside a 5-star suite with wheels. So what's the moral here? If you see someone driving this, they're either rich or living in it because they bought it. And if you want us to keep chasing, reviewing, and drooling over rolling palaces like this, become a CampAvto sponsor for just $1. Less than the price of a cup of coffee your annoying friend will spill inside this thing. The link's in the description under the video. Click it before someone parks a budget RV in your dreams.